What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kalen here, and I am back to give you more Amazon deals of the day. So check these out. So the first deal that we have here is this really cool air fryer here. So let's check this air fryer out. Let's actually listen real quick to what these guys are talking about this air fryer. Let's listen to this.
All over the stove is a mess.
Not a thing.
Not a thing.
Yeah.
That was a great surprise. Can we ask everything that we talk about have fries sitting somewhere?
Imagine you open up the headphone case with surprise.
$84.99.
Okay, so basically they're just talking about this air fryer just like I am. So I like to do that. I like to let you guys hear what these guys are talking about. So this is really cool because air fryers, I don't know if you know much about air fryers, but basically it's like having an oven, a mini oven, and frying or baking your food like instantly. Like I used to make tater tots in the morning with this thing, and it would cook what an oven would cook tater tots probably 20 minutes in. It would take probably 6 or 7 minutes. So it really cuts down the time that it takes to cook. So you could throw in things like sweet potato fries if you really want to make them from scratch, French fries, anything that you buy in the frozen section, done extremely fast. So you can have your kids make these, and it's super safe. Like just put it in the slot, slide it in, and it's done. And this is $84.99. You're going to save $15 by buying this. It's normally $99.99, and it's 6 quarts. It has great recipes included, so you can get a recipe cookbook. You don't want to cook with oil anymore. It's unhealthy for your heart and veins. So therefore, you get this fryer. So without the oil, you get the same fried feel without all of that extra fat and saturated fat and all that junk. So you just set your temperature, set your time, and it's done. $84.99, free 1-day Prime delivery, free returns. What more can you ask for? So I think that's the first really good deal of today. By the way, today is September 18th, 2019. If you're wondering which day that this deal is happening, September 18th, 2019. Go after it, get it. I'm sure it'll still be up after this day, but this is a really good day to get it. The second deal that I saw here was this Vizio soundbar home speaker renewed. Okay, so this thing's normally around $200. Now it's $119.99. You're saving $80, and you get a free return if you don't like it. I think this is really cool because Vizio is obviously a very trusted brand. It's used by millions and millions of people. I think they sponsor the Rose Bowl, which is a humongous football game every year at the end of the season for college football. So they're a big time brand. This isn't somebody you haven't heard of, somebody that, is just run of the mill. Vizio's very quality. They make really great TVs as well. So it looks like they have this sound bar, and it looks like it probably even comes with this subwoofer and these 2 other sound system things right here, these little speakers right here. I would say jump on this. It's only $119.99. You're going to save a lot. This deal ends in 15 hours and 1 minute. I'm sure you could probably get another good deal if you click on the link in the description below that I'm going to leave for this. I'm sure it'll still be a pretty decent deal after this. So let's go ahead and look at some other deals. What I really like is how Amazon has these daily deals, and they have these featured products every 5 minutes or so. I saw this deal here. I saw these headphones, these noise canceling headphones. Let's check these out. So these noise canceling headphones I really like, and if you've ever heard like the Bose noise canceling headphones, it really blocks things out. I can leave a description for those Bose noise canceling headphones as well. They're not a part of the deal of the day, but they're very great. They're also like $315. So if you want some noise canceling headphones that are under $100 that you can afford, that will fit around your ear and feel comfortable, these Boltune noise canceling headphones look like they're the ones. Look how comfy that looks. I mean, it looks like it's super padded. It's very comfy. You have mics that you can speak out of. You can turn them on and off. They look pretty cool. They're pretty big, but I mean, aren't all headphones like that, you know, nowadays, other than like the Apple AirPod type ones. It looks like they can fold up too, so obviously you can keep them in storage. 30 hours of battery life on one single charge. That's a long time. 30 hours is a long time. I would say get these because these are under $100, Prime free 1-day delivery. I think these are really cool. Those caught my eye. So that's the third deal of the day that I found. Let's see. So the fourth deal of the day I think is really cool is this QLED TV right here, $1,099. Let's see. This TV is usually $2,199. This thing is you're gonna save $1,100 for this QLED TV. 65 inches. Look how thin this thing is. But look at this. Look how thin that is. You're not gonna have any trouble moving this TV whatsoever. I don't care who you are. Look at that. Super sleek, super thin. That's gonna be a great picture. And it's Samsung. How much more of a deal can you get? This is amazing. Like $1,099. Delivered to your house. You don't have to go to Sam's. You don't have to go to Walmart, Target, whatever. You don't have to go to those stores to buy this TV. You're saving $1,100 by buying this. 65 inches. You can even get a 75 inch for $1,789. Usually this thing is almost $2,200. You can get a 75 inch for $1,789. I think that's crazy. That is a great deal. You should jump on this right now. You'll get it delivered to you by Friday if you order within the next 15 hours and 2 minutes. Definitely get this TV. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to get this TV. Use that link to come and buy this TV. That is going to be a great deal for you. Yeah, I want to get this now. So, and then the other deal that I saw was this really cool. I always like the cooking things because everybody's going back to college around this time. I'm a young adult. I mean, everybody has to cook, you know, so college students want to save money, young adults want to save money. I don't care if you've got $1 million job a year, you want to save money as well. I think the best deal that you can get is a deal that helps you save money every single day. And how do you do that? You have to eat every day, so you have to cook every day. So the best things are things that help you cook better. So I see this Hamilton Beach breakfast sandwich maker as a really cool deal. I mean, it's only $20. Usually it's $30, so you're saving $10. Basically, you can make a breakfast sandwich every morning. So you throw in your egg, you throw in whatever, you know, meat you want, you put on your bread, and basically it makes, so let's see, step 1, add bread and other ingredients. Step 2, add your egg. Step 3, add a second slice of bread. Step 4, slide out the egg plate. Step 5, it's ready. Like you're making a breakfast sandwich every morning. So if you, whatever ingredients you want to put in, if say you want to make a waffle of some sort, if you want to throw in ingredients that you made for like blueberry muffins or some sort of pancake mix, you could throw that on top, make your own breakfast McMuffin, you know? So you've got all that ready in 5 minutes or less, and you don't have to go to McDonald's or, you know, Burger King or wherever, or, you know, Chick-fil-A in order to do that. So that to me is really cool. You save money by doing that, and you know what's in your food. You can buy all the ingredients. You know that it's real eggs. For example, you go to McDonald's. I don't know if that's a real egg. Like all that stuff seems super like mushy and weird to me. So you know you're buying the ingredients. You're making them right in front of yourself, and you're ready in 5 minutes. So that's a really quick breakfast meal. I think that's a really good deal, and you're saving $10. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below for this as well. Go ahead and snag this. Free same-day delivery and free returns. Like, come on. And it's $20. You're going to save way more than $20 by making your own breakfast every day. And you can also have breakfast for dinner, breakfast for lunch. That's the beautiful thing about breakfast. It's versatile. So go ahead and grab this. It's going to save you tons of money, tons of time. And those are the deals that I have for today. And we can see that there are more deals that are coming through, and there are more deals that are happening. If you are interested in those deals, click the links in the description below and go to Amazon and buy from those links. That helps me get paid a commission for whatever you buy on Amazon, and that will help me to create better videos, to create more content, and just create more quality content for you to consume. I hope you enjoyed enjoyed this video. I may be back later on today for another video. That video will cover more deals of the day that I find throughout the day here on Amazon. So if you're interested, please stay tuned for that video. Subscribe to this channel. Leave comments below if you have any deals that you found are valuable and necessary for the audience and for myself to view, and I may even feature those on the channel. So please leave those in the comments below. Let me know what you liked and let me know what you want to see in the future, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks. I'll see you later.